Hey guys, it's Mianne and this is Beauty with Me. Earlier this summer, I got my first laser facial and I came out of that 15-minute treatment so thrilled with the results. So I decided to go back, but this time for something a little bit more intense.
3, 2, 1.
But first, please make sure you're subscribed. Little red button down below. You know the drill. Beauty with Me comes out every Monday at 11 a.m. So back to the spa, I zipped over to Skin Laundry, met Elise Shelger, the same registered nurse who performed my first treatment, and she sat me down for the carbon peel. Last time I was here, when I got the 15-minute laser facial, I saw that there was this cool other treatment that you guys do that involves carbon. It's called the carbon peel.
Yes.
I wanted to try it, but I was told that I couldn't because you need to get the first laser treatment first.
Exactly.
Is that correct? Is it the same two lasers that we used last time, the YAG and the IPL?
Yes. What differentiates this carbon peel from others that you may see on the market is that we couple it with the IPL treatment, and the IPL is really effective for destroying acne-causing bacteria, which is photosensitive, and it calms inflammation and redness. So it's just a really good 1-2 punch for breakouts, and it gives you a really amazing glow since we're removing the dead skin cells.
Well, I'm very excited to do this. I feel like I'm at that time of the month where I need it, so shall I line up?
Yes, I'm so excited that you're here to try it, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is use one of Skin Laundry's Purifying cleansing cloths just to remove any residual makeup or oils from your skin before we get started. So the carbon peel involves a similar process as the laser facial that you had last time, with an added step where we apply a carbon lotion to your skin prior to the laser treatment. We're going to let this set for about 10 minutes. While it's setting, it will bind to the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of your skin, and any material within your pores. I'm now just going to remove any excess. We want the laser to really reach the skin, so we don't want too thick of a layer. Okay, so the first pass that I'm going to do is called heat mode. This is going to help the carbon to better bind to that outermost layer of skin. So beginning on the center of your forehead. 3, 2, 1. How does that feel?
Feels fine. It actually kind of tickles a little bit.
You'll hear more of the loud crackling sound because as the laser is passed over the carbon, it's attracted to that pigment and it's vaporizing. So the laser that we used that you had last time does vaporize any debris in the skin and on the surface as well as dead skin cells. This is just going to intensify that exfoliation and it will create more fumes just because of the carbon. That's why we'll use a vacuum. Like any of our facials, it's appropriate for all skin types and all skin concerns. But we do believe that this is the best treatment for acne-prone skin because you're getting that deep pore cleanse and it's removing the outermost layer of skin with no downtime. So it can help reduce the chance of clogged pores and just remove that dead skin that accumulates on the surface. Okay, and I'm going to apply the gel for your IPL now. This is just a water-based gel. And this IPL gel helps to evenly distribute the light on your skin so you get a really even treatment. So with this one you may feel a little bit of heat and you'll mostly just see a very bright flash. A little bit of SPF moisturizer, protect you on the way out.
Thank you. The big reveal. Ta-da. Same thing as last time, I feel like. It looks a lot less red, which is, I always think, ironic because you're like literally zapping yourself. I feel like the pores on my nose are like smaller too a little bit. Well, thank you so much for seeing me again.
I'm so happy to see you too.
You're the best. My skin looked smoother, clearer, less irritated, less red after the treatment. In fact, on my way out, I caught a glimpse of myself in a mirror and actually did a double take because I was so surprised at how clear my skin looked with that foundation. So, as you can tell, I really liked it, but I will say that this treatment is 30 minutes and it costs $150, which is a pretty big price jump from the original laser and light facial, which only cost $65 per treatment, but it's also only 15 minutes. So I would definitely take that into account if you're gonna go. I think that, obviously start off with the laser and light facial. It's a great treatment. There's no downtime. It's so fast, you're in and out. But there are also other ways that you can exfoliate. If you wanna see some of my favorite exfoliating products, check out that video because I shared a few there. But all in all, I gotta say, the carbon peel was really good. And that is it. My opinion on the carbon facial. I obviously really liked it. Please let me know what other treatments or challenges or products you'd like me to try on Beauty With Me down in the comments, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please click here to subscribe to Refinery29. Click here to watch another video, and follow me at meanne.chan on Instagram for more beauty stuffs.